Most people think that anxiety, brain fog, or constant burnout starts in the mind. But what if the real issue is your vision and how screens and digital devices are literally rewiring your nervous system, not in a good way, without you knowing? Hi, I'm Dr. Bryce Appelbaum, a neurooptometrist, and I work with patients from all around the world who feel exhausted by screen time, anxious for no reason, or mentally drained, even when every medical test shows nothing is wrong. The problem isn't in your mind, it's in how your eyes and brain are being forced to work in survival mode all day long. And here's what almost nobody is told. You can have 20/20 eyesight, and yet your vision can still be failing your brain in a mess. Sight is clarity. Vision is processing. Vision is brain. And that difference is everything. Hidden issue number one, eye teaming. If your eyes don't work together well, your brain is fighting all day long just to keep things single and clear and stable. That silent strain can show up as headaches, trouble focusing, mental fatigue by 2 p.m. That third cup of coffee moment might actually be your visual system crashing, not your willpower. Hidden issue number two, visual processing. You might be seeing clearly, but your brain is struggling to make sense of what it sees. That's where brain fog, slow thinking, overstimulation in crowds, even emotional flooding begin. Your visual system is the operating system for how your brain feels safety versus chaos. Hidden issue number three, focus flexibility. Your eyes were never designed to stay locked on screens for hours. The moment your eye focusing system gets stuck, your nervous system stays stuck with it in stress mode, which is why you may feel wired but completely worn out. So if nothing has worked, supplements, therapies, medication, even meditation, it might be because you've been treating the symptom, not the source, not the problem. There's nothing wrong with you. You just never had your vision and the eye-brain connection evaluated the right way. If this is resonating with you, take 60 seconds and start with my free vision quiz. It's not about how well you see, it's about how well your eyes and brain are working together as a team. Most people are shocked by what it reveals. I'll link it below, and this could be the most important 60 seconds you invest this entire year. In the next video, I'll show you how to start retraining your visual system at home. But first, go take the quiz. It all starts with awareness.